Ngayon naman, silipin natin ang mga naganap sa idinaos at 2025 International Day for Universal Access to Information na may temang Ensuring Access to Environmental Information in the Digital Age. Panoorin natin ito.
Ang pagkakaroon ng maaasahang impormasyon ay nagsisilbing gabay sa tamang pagdedesisyon, lalo na sa mga usaping may epekto sa lipunan at kapaligiran. Kaugnay nito, muling idinaos ng UNESCO ang 2025 International Day for Universal Access to Information na may temang Ensuring Access to Environmental Information in the Digital Age. Katuwang ang Presidential Communications Office at FOI Philippines. Layunin ng pagdiriwang na ito na bigyang diin ang kahalagahan ng malayang pag-access sa impormasyon.
One thing that we are discussing in the context of this international celebration is the fact that we have made a lot of progress in terms of numbers of countries who have established laws of access to information, because there's so much disinformation about climate change, about the science, about the biodiversity loss. This is also sometimes really technical, so it's also a good forum to discuss how to make information more accessible and to be more inclusive also in the way we communicate information.
Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, isinagawa ang IDOA 2025 sa Southeast Asia at dito mismo sa Pilipinas, kung saan nagtipon ang mga policymakers, leader mula sa iba't ibang bansa at mga kinatawan ng media upang talakayin ang kani-kanilang karanasan at inisyatibo kung paano mapapalawak at masisiguro ang maayos, sistematiko at makatarungan na pag-access sa impormasyon. Isa sa mga bansang kinilala sa larangan ng information access ay ang Finland na patuloy na nagsusulong ng prinsipyo ng transparency at media literacy.
The Philippines, of course, your social media usage is very high. Again, it's a good thing. You can easily disseminate information. The downside is that it's also easy to disseminate inaccurate information. You need to bring the media literacy to schools, so start educating already kids on how to find correct information. How do you know if some information maybe is not correct? How do you find the correct information? It all starts from education and as early in the schools as possible.
Bukod dito, tinalakay rin sa pagpupulong ang Access to Information Model Law for Small Island Developing States na layuning tulungan ang bawat bansa na makapagpatupad ng epektibong batas sa access to information.
So there's a lot of things that could be improved, but really the Philippines needs to stand up and do the necessary and adopt the law. Fully agree with you, Kishali, on the point about funding. By the way, I've seen an increasingly large number of countries where the commissioners are absolutely independent. They're appointed and whatever, and they actually are independent.
Sa IDOA 2025, muling ipinakita ang mahalagang papel ng impormasyon bilang gabay tungo sa mas matalinong desisyon at mas makabuluhang pagkilos, hindi lamang para sa kasalukuyan, kundi para na rin sa kinabukasan ng ating kapaligiran.